Black holes. Invisible beasts, lurking in space that sometimes rip passing stars in half and scatter their remains. Black holes can traverse the galaxy and disrupt any star systems in their path. The chances of it happening are fortunately small. There are two predominant types of black hole in the universe. The first are supermassive black holes, found churning at the heart of pretty much every single galaxy in the universe. No problem, these don't really pose any threat to us, until our galaxy collides with another, like the Andromeda galaxy in a few billion years. The other type are interstellar black holes, might be more of a problem. These formed when a large star goes supernova. One of the closest to us being Cygnus X1, about 6,000 light-years away, measuring 44 kilometers in diameter. If a black hole like Cygnus X1 were to stray near the solar system, within a light-year or so, its gravity would cause chaos. As the black hole made its way into the solar system, it would be invisible to us, aside from a slight gravitational lensing effect on distant stars. It's not visible until it started to tear gas from the outer gas giant planets, that a noticeable accretion disk, a region of superheated dust and gas would form around the black hole. Now, the terrifying power of the black hole is all too visible to us on Earth. By the time the black hole reached the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, things would look bleak for us. The intense gravitational pull of the black hole would have torn our planet asunder, causing devastating earthquakes and molten fire of supervolcanic eruptions, the likes of which humanity has never witnessed before. We'd now be able to see the nearing monster. The black hole is drenched in X-ray radiation from the disk of Jupiter's gas. If our planet hasn't streamed either into the sun or into space, we will be consumed by the black hole and unable to see its final meeting with the sun. We're talking regions of space where matter is compressed so densely, that the only way to escape is to be traveling faster than the speed of light. And as we know, you can't go faster than the speed of light. So there's no escape. Get too close to the black hole and you'll be compressed beyond comprehension, perhaps into an infinitely small point. Our star's gas and light are stolen into the event horizon, and this marks the final wound and death of our solar system. The final battle, between the black hole and the sun wouldn't be quite so one-sided. A gravitational tug of war would ensue, and depending on the initial mass of the black hole, there's a chance the sun could survive in some shape or form. Unfortunately, the most likely scenario is that, like the planets, the sun is ripped apart and joins the planets, in the swirling mass of superheated dust and gas roaring around the black hole. This accretion disk would extend hundreds of thousands, or perhaps millions of miles from the relatively tiny black hole at its center, replacing our solar system with a circular inferno of the dead inhabitants it once housed. The solar system has been around for more than 4.5 billion years, with all the planets going around and around without interruption. Even if a black hole passed the solar system within a few dozen light years, it would have messed up the orbit significantly, and life probably wouldn't be here to consider this fact. This all sounds terrifying, I'm sure, and now you've probably got one eye on the sky, watching for that telltale distortion of light from an approaching black hole. But it's fortunate that the likelihood of this whole situation occurring is pretty minimal. So don't panic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.